They all say that their products are of good quality and timely delivery, but the products are not spoken with the mouth. It is processed with modern equipment and practical action. Timely delivery depends on sufficient and stable production, perfect product pass rate, and a large number of inventory. Today, I will lead you into our Shandong Huadong Blower factory to take a look. This is our machining workshop, and we have been invested 15 million yuan to buy two CNC machining centers. This one is a 10 million yuan Taiwan Dali 806 station horizontal machining center. It is mainly processing less than 200 cubic meters of stainless steel and cast iron case. At the same time, it can process 6 different types of loose blower casing, and to solve the customer's variety and multi-batch delivery time problem. It is so far the largest domestic loose blower shell processing center. Next to this is Doshan Group 805 Processing Center of South Korea. It is mainly used for processing the casing of high-efficiency oil machine and a Longhua series blower, with an accuracy of up to 0.005 millimeters. The two devices use the Japanese Finacle control system to ensure the accuracy of the equipment. Blower wall panel processing, we use the United States New Wave Vertical Machining Center with Germany Siemens system, and the main processing is cast iron and stainless steel blower wall panel. This is our gantry machining center purchased from Taiwan, and we using Siemens control system. It is mainly processing more than 100 cubic meters of large loose blower wall panel, and the accuracy can reach to 0.01 millimeters. Impeller, shell, wall panel. Before leaving the factory, we have the anti-corrosion and anti-rust treatment. This is our Taiwan Sino Precision Vertical Machining Center with Japan Phoenix system. It is processing different types of loose blower oil tanks, and the processing accuracy can up to 0.01 millimeters. We use CNC machine tools to process the inner holes of the impeller and use heat to expand and use cold to shrink the shaft. We have 8 bidirectional surface planers for precision machining of impellers. Each set of 2 for different types of impellers, including impellers for cast iron and stainless steel blowers. After impeller processing, we use German high-precision balance instrument to balance the shaft and the impeller to ensure the overall smooth of the blower. The shaft is produced by CNC machine tool, and the raw material is made of faulty material of Laigang. It is processed by heat treatment, and the machining accuracy up to 0.001 millimeters. And now, our inline and outline silencers are also sprayed, and it will not rust after 10 years of use. Silencer, elbow, base, shield plate, and other welding parts. Before spraying, we will sandblast to remove rust, so that the surface will be smooth after spraying. This is our standard modern warehouse with an inventory of 15 million various parts to ensure the time delivery. Our products are exported to more than 60 countries and regions, and we have rich export experience. If there are engineering companies and customers that do export projects, we can provide you with relevant export information, independent declaration, qualifications, and global technical support. We have service providers, sales staff, agents in various parts and countries, and can serve you all over the world. The accessories used in the loose blower are produced by our Shandong Huadong Blower factory. This ensures the timely delivery and stable operation of the equipment. Welcome to visit our factory.